bit of hiking always makes you feel good. Now it's better. If you often create subtitles for your videos and want to make your workflow even faster, this video might be for you. Adobe introduced the speech-to-text feature along with new Captions workflow in 2020 and Adobe Max conference. Until recently, there was a chance to qualify for the Early Access program to try out this feature in Premiere Pro beta version. Users who participated in beta testing now have the feature available in regular Premiere Pro version 15. If you didn't participate yet, I have an opportunity to nominate 2 of you, my subscribers, to the Early Access program to use the speech-to-text feature before it's officially released. Just make sure you're subscribed to my channel and write a comment about how would you use this feature for your workflow. Next week I'll choose 2 of you who will get the invitation. Just to note, you need to have the Adobe Creative Cloud subscription to apply to this program. Now let's jump into the computer and have a look at how to quickly and automatically generate subtitles for your videos containing dialogue. In the Captions panel in Premiere Pro, select the window Text. If you don't see it, click the menu Window, Text. Now inside these text windows we have 2 sections, Transcript and Captions. What we want to do is to transcribe the sequence. You need to choose the audio track with the dialogue. In my example, it's audio 1. The first option, audio clips tagged as dialogue, is relevant to you when you use the audio panel in Premiere Pro, and there you tag all your audio tracks containing spoken word as dialogue. This option would be better in a case when you have multiple people speaking on multiple audio tracks along with music and sound effects on other tracks. Then choose the language of your voiceover. Now there are multiple languages to choose from, including French, German, Japanese or Chinese. When you work on larger projects, you can check the option Transcribe in-point to out-point only. This transcribes just a selected portion of your video, and then you can merge this transcription with another part you created previously. When you click Transcribe, the algorithm analyzes your audio, sends it to the cloud to make an automated voice recognition. This is done by using artificial intelligence. After this process is finished, your transcript appears in the transcript section. I have to say that the algorithm is very accurate considering I'm not a native English speaker. However, I need to make some corrections to the text. And after this process is done, you're ready to create actual captions. Just click Create Captions button and choose the format and style of your text. We are creating subtitles here, so select that and we will stylize the text later on. We want to create a subtitle track from our transcript, so keep it selected and press OK. Now you have your captions track generated together with timestamps with minimal effort. Now you can adjust the timing of captions directly in the timeline, so you can merge some captions together or split segments. And of course you can still edit the text here, so it will automatically assign the correct timecode. When it comes to styling, you have an infinite amount of possibilities. You can change all attributes of the text appearance, use special typing effects, like drop shadow for example. For every block, you are free to choose the zone position of the text on the screen. Visual effects are relevant to you mostly in situations when you want to bake the subtitles into the video file. If you are satisfied with the look and timing of your captions, you can hit Ctrl M to open the export dialog. Here you have the new captions section, when you can choose what to do with captions. You can bake the captions directly to the video, or you can export separate .crl or .crt file containing your transcriptions. You have also the option to override the transcription function and export just a video without text. there is at least one more option to export the captions in the .srt file. In the Captions window, select these three dots on the upper right, and from there you can save the SRT or TXT file directly to your computer. And that was it for today's quick tutorial. Hope you're looking forward to speeding up your workflow. In case you found this video entertaining or at least educational, smash that like button to keep things moving. Also, hit that subscribe button to see more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you later, guys. Super, takže